Where do cheetahs live? What are the main threats to cheetahs? Are cheetahs endangered? How do cheetahs differ from other big cats? How long do cheetahs live? Do cheetahs roar like other big cats? These all are the questions that people ask about cheetah. I will try my best to respond all these questions in the upcoming part of this video. Here we go. Guys, with unbeatable speed, cheetahs surely are one of the nature's wonders. Let's explore what makes these incredible creatures so special. The speed demons of the animal kingdom. Cheetahs hold the record of being the fastest land animals. They may rise to as high as 114 km per hour in short sprints, thereby proving to be great sprinters. When hunting for prey, they often travel between the speed of 80 to 100 km an hour. Long legs, elongated spine, non-retractile claws with better grip, large nasal passage to allow more inflow of oxygen, all contribute to their phenomenal speed. Features: the cheetah has a slender body with long legs. It is about 1.2 meter in length, excluding the tail, which adds another 65 to 85 centimeters to its length. They have a pale yellow coat with small black spots and a characteristically marked face with black tears, lines running from the inner corners of its eyes down to the sides of the mouth. This unique pattern helps kill glare from the sun and enhance their focus on prey. Speed adaptations. The body of the cheetah is an evolutionary masterpiece designed for speed. Long limbs and a flexible spine extend their strides, while specialized paw pads give them extra traction. Internally, a large liver, heart, and lungs support the extreme physical exertion involved in high speed chases. Moreover, while sprinting, a cheetah covers almost 3.5 strides per second and is able to breathe up to 150 times per minute. However, all chases end shortly, usually less than 300 meters, because the body temperature of the animal rises very fast. Sociability and hunting. Unlike most big cats, the cheetah is a diurnal species. It hunts during sunrise and sunset. Cheetahs rush to consume their kill since big predators such as lions, leopards, and hyenas will steal their kill. Habitat and social structure. Cheetahs occupy spatio-temporal range of environments: dry open plains, grassland, and places with denser vegetation or rocky uplands. Socially, they are quite different from any other big cat, whereas the female cheetah is solitary, except for when she has young cubs. Males often form coalitions of brothers who stay together and hunt together for life. These male groups occupy territories which overlap with several female ranges. Life cycle and reproduction. The females then give birth to 2 to 8 cubs after a gestation period of 3 months. The particular ferment in which the young ones are born seems to play an important role in temperature regulation. It is unfortunate, but the mortality rate for these young cubs is very high, mostly due to predation. The cubs will stay with the mother for about 16 to 24 months before males are chased away to various territories, and females stay relatively close to the range of their mother. They live up to 7 years in the wild but 12 years in captivity. Conservation status and challenges. The historical range of the cheetah has been throughout North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Today, the estimate is that it is around 9,000 to 12,000 in Africa, with small isolated populations in Iran. Several insecurity threats, habitat loss, human wildlife conflict, and larger predators adversely affect the survival of this magnificent cat. It needs conservation programs to prevent their extinction. Genetic bottleneck. Cheetahs have gone through severe genetic bottlenecks that have resulted in all individuals being genetically similar. This inbreeding has seen them suffer from increased susceptibility to disease and higher mortality rates with no apparent significant effects on their fitness in the wild. Conclusion. It is a story of incredible speed, unique adaptations, and fragile existence. A cheetah, as one of nature's finest predators, it reminds us of the delicate nature of ecosystems and the worth of conservation efforts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of cheetahs, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more wildlife wonders. Wish you all the best. Thanks to all of you.